Well, we keep counting them down. We'll stop till we get to the top. And we're up to number 3 now. I can tell by these pictures something to do with flooding. It is the June River flooding across much of the area. Especially bad, though, across Fremont County as well as across Sublette, Lincoln, as well as Teton counties. And the reason why? Look at those records there. A lot of places seeing record snowfall and rainfall, overall precipitation, anywhere from the fall of 2016 to the spring of 2017. A lot of places number 1, including Du Bois, Big Piney, Pinedale, as well as Lake Yellowstone. Many other places in the top 10. It was very high snowpack up in the mountains, sometimes 200 to 300% of normal. So all that came down and caused a lot of problems. Here's a bridge down to us in Teton County, I believe up in Grand Teton National Park. Worst effects, though, I think, in Fremont County. This is on US 26 near Morton. Road was actually shut down a couple of times due to water coming across it. A couple of times right around the 8th, and also later in the month when you had some rain up there and it actually rose the river level once again right when it was starting to stabilize. The other big effect was the irrigation canal near Riverton was very close to being breached. They actually had to cut a hole in it to relieve the pressure and drain the water back into the Wind River. And as a result, a lot of farmers didn't have water for several weeks, and the breach itself cost close to $2 million to repair. Also affects out west. A lot of country roads and BLM roads washed out across Sublette and Lincoln counties. Also across Teton County, some of those roads were washed out. However, there is some good news out of this. In Hudson, they actually built a flood wall and they held up pretty well across that area. Not really a lot of flooding in Hudson. Also the Wind Reservation across Fremont County. There was some flooding around some of the homes, but sandbagging efforts did a really good job there in preventing a lot of damage. We'll have number 2 tomorrow. We'll have some videos of the flooding coming up next if you want to watch them. If not, we'll see you tomorrow for the reveal of number 2.